Our national mission, enabling Objective 2, inspirational leaders working collaboratively to raise standards. How do you feel we're doing so far?
I think collaboration's really good, and the further challenges are to do with nurturing others to be the best leaders they can be. I think the ambitions there in head teachers, and the National Academy for Education Leadership is an opportunity for people to rally behind a new set of standards.
What do you see as the role of the National Academy in Wales?
The role of the Academy in Wales is to be that sort of catalyst, the thing that really ignites the passion in leadership and gives people new horizons, new visions of what they could achieve, and also becomes the vehicle for helping people to work out how to work together, how to do research, how to innovate, how to push things forward for every child in the system.
As a head teacher, I have to say I feel really privileged to be involved with the Academy. I really, really do. It's such an exciting time. Can I ask you, what is your vision for us as associates?
It's a brilliant time to be involved because nothing's set, nothing's determined. So the challenge for the associates is how to work together, to work with everybody else, to work with the Academy to make it the strongest, to give it the strongest push it can get going forward. I think it's there to be enjoyed. The Academy is very new, the Leadership Academy. Your associates, how do you think it's going so far? What's been the best bit?
I think it's fantastic. It has been the most inspirational leadership programme that I've had the opportunity to become involved with at my stage in my career. I think part of our role as an associate is to endorse high quality learning programmes across Wales, which I think is a fantastic opportunity. We've just done the one so far, which is for newly appointed and acting head teachers. And
is that a key part of the role of the Leadership Academy, just working with new head teachers and acting?
Well, we're also trying to work out how can leaders enable professional learning and the best well-being and outcomes for all those involved in the educational system. And one of the tasks we had a commissioner brief is to try and work with that and research it as well.
It's early stages yet, isn't it? So you're working with a blank canvas?
Yeah, I think for me one of the most exciting things has been to meet up with and to listen to and to research so many different education specialists. We've had the opportunity for seminars with so many inspirational people, and what we want to do now is feed that back into the system as associates. We have to make an impact, and I think we really will and can, and I would implore anybody out there who wants to become an associate to get their application in.
One day we feel like as if we're on a course of professional development. The next day we feel as if we are co-constructing the way forward for the Academy for future years.
And that co-construction is a sort of system-wide job, isn't it? It's not just 12 associates taking it forward. It's how do we get it further? What are we doing to involve others?
I think it's rolling out this programme. It's so exciting at the moment. There will be an opportunity in the near future for the next cohort of associates to join, and then we can take things even further. That programme will continue to roll out.